Hello and welcome po sa Assorted Finds by Jenny. And what we have here is a wristwatch na merong projector. Available siya in two designs, My Melody and Kuromi. Gawa sa silicone yung wristband and plastic naman yung mismong clock and projector. Nasa left side yung switch ng projector and yung output ay nasa right side naman. When you pop it open, makikita may maliit na digital clock to tell you the time. This is battery operated and nasa ilalim yung lalagyan niya. Tara, testingin na natin yung projection niya. The projector holds around 20 pictures. And the best way to view them, mag-dim lights ka or go to a dark place para mas makita mong maganda yung projected images niya. Try naman natin ngayon yung images dito kay My Melody. Ang cute, di ba? At siguradong magugustuhan to ng mga kids, lalo yung mga papasok na sa school.